What if I told you that your next favorite song, artwork, or even movie might be created by AI? From writing poetry to generating photorealistic images and cinematic scenes, AI tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Sora are revolutionizing creativity as we know it. But is this the future we want, or a threat to human imagination? In this video, we're diving into how AI is transforming creativity and what that means for artists, writers, and filmmakers. ChatGPT, the AI wordsmith. ChatGPT is helping creators brainstorm, write stories, generate scripts, and even compose poems. Writer's block? Gone. But while it can mimic style and tone, does it really understand emotion and context like a human? DALL-E visual art reinvented. DALL-E creates jaw-dropping art from just a prompt. Want a cyberpunk astronaut cat on Mars? Done in seconds. Designers and artists are using it for inspiration, concept art, or even final deliverables. But this power raises questions. Who owns the art? Is it still real art? And where does that leave traditional artists? Sora, the future of filmmaking? Sora, OpenAI's video model, can turn text into full-blown cinematic clips. It's opening doors for indie filmmakers and creatives who couldn't afford big budgets before. But there's concern. If AI can direct scenes and generate actors and dialogue, what happens to the film crew, writers, and animators? The big question: will AI replace creatives, or become their most powerful tool? It depends on how it's used. Those who embrace it could create faster and bolder than ever before. Those who resist might get left behind. Creativity isn't dying, it's evolving. What's your take on AI in the creative world? Is it enhancing art or threatening it? Drop a comment, and if you're into tech and the future of creativity, hit like and subscribe.